All right, for this remodel, next step is to go ahead and pull the toilet. So I'm gonna do that. First thing I'm gonna do there is turn the water off. Go ahead and flush it to get the rest of the water out. All right, you'll notice since we have the water out, it won't fill back up. So I'll go ahead and get rid of the remaining water in there to kind of decrease the weight of the toilet. All right, it looks like that's about all that's gonna drain. Next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and unhook the toilet from the hose. So I'm gonna go ahead and unhook this here, but you know, we're gonna have some water in there. So I'm gonna get a bucket and put it down below it. Okay, got my vice grips and loosened this up a little bit. And I got a tray here to kind of catch the water as it comes down. You will get water. This is clean water too, so don't worry. Okay, now if you got that off, I'm gonna go ahead and go for these side bolts here. Right, where these caps go on there. Just pop those caps off and then just loosen up these nuts here. Same thing with the other side. Now these caps will just come off with a flat head. I just use my vice grips and just kind of twisted it off of there. You got that side off. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull straight up on this thing and we're gonna stand on either side of the toilet like this. One hand here, the other hand here, and just come straight up. There we go. Now, if you have a new floor you're concerned about, just make sure you set this baby on a towel. So, yeah, that's it. The toilet is pulled. You can either put a new toilet on, or in this case, we're gonna redo the floor and then put a new wax ring on with the same toilet. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this up around here. That's it, time to pull the floor up.